You're now listening to Dancing and Bang Out Productions.
Hey, to that motherfucking need. Hey, who's riding on production, nigga? Hey, baby girl, you're my missing pearl. If I can make your mom happy, I will give her the world. But baby girl, my life is kinda hard, cause I'm stuck on the streets. Pull my pictures from the dark, please, baby girl. Just look into my eyes. If I had one wish, I would be by your side. Hey, baby girl, I'm all here, I'm alright. I'm walking through this empty weather hourglass of time. Hey, Jaylee, baby, your daddy's kinda crazy, made too many mistakes that your mom should just erase me from this race. I'm looking at her face. Have I been replaced by the Martian who's been sent to keep the battle fucking space? Have I been defeated? Did I leave you in the open with up my broken pieces? Jesus, I can't believe this, but I'm sick of living life like I'm dancing to fail. I feel so disrespected and neglected as well. That's why your grandma called me Jack the Ripper, cause I put you in hell, aka Quasimodo straight, ringing the bell, ringing the bell. My life is in hell, can't you tell? Life might be strange, especially when people stare. Tell your mother I'm sorry, God is trying to make me prepared, cause I wanna have hope. I'll be living out the dream, gotta be clean off the dope and move away from the fiends. But it seems I can't do nothing right. I'm living my life twice just to roll the dice and get high for a second time. I'm spitting another rhyme, committing another crime in a different prison, baby, doing time. I'm doing time, losing my motherfucking mind. So how'd you know you love me if I didn't make it hard? I ain't got the $1,000, I ain't got no fancy car. I got every ounce of love that you put up in my heart, but no place for parts. Baby's tearing me apart, I can't do this anymore. It was so broken, it's so torn. Maybe if I run left before the baby was born, things might be a little different. Like repeat together forever, hold hands and chest. Now I give a shit, your parents are politics. They got you to call it quits, so please don't get pissed when I pop this pill and bomb my face. I've had it up to here with all this. Hey, but you gotta prove it. Nonsense, so fuck this. Without you, I'm dying quick. Emotions flying high, I'm falling down. I'm broken knife tips as I see it. Let you feel all the pain it took to write this. Into my kids, yo. Miss my kids, A to the E, C to C, bro. A to the motherfucking E-O. Killing cops cause I fucking miss my people. People who took away my kids in the sequel. So fuck all y'all with that needle. A to the motherfucking E-O. I miss my motherfucking Jaylee, baby, bro. Jaylee, baby, bro. Ho, no. Hold on. He was straight up fucking tripping. Yo, hold up, wait a minute. These people started an epidemic, man. I started the race, got first place, but I ended up last. When my gun started to blast, coming back in a black Cadillac with a fat sack. Mini Mac 10 was again sitting deep with the juice and gin, smoking with that juice and gin. I can never fucking finish this motherfucking song. I'm sorry to forget the fucking words. It's like songs from my fucking daughter, man. How can I forget that shit?